my body was run down. I was like definitely feeling it.
Hmm.
Wrong time to have like wine as your hobby too. It's like I remember just blowing my nose like so much in these like sessions and stuff. And my I say this in part just because I think like for analysts who are coming into these roles, you know, your like personal burn rate is like such an important like variable to manage your first few years and just like figuring out what works for you. And at the time I started to like dabble in meditation and like, other things that I think were just like healthy hygiene habits to, be in addition to maybe being like goods in and of themselves, like just helpful things to like sustain you while you're trying to like crank on these projects that require a ton of travel. And I had this conversation with my girlfriend at the time, now wife, who basically was like, look, something is off. This was in like January or February. You're like run down all the time. Like, I hate seeing you sick. Um, maybe you can like deal with this on a daily basis, but like, I don't want to see you, feeling sick all the time. So like something needs to change.